Hey everybody, my name is Austin Hirschberger and this is my introductory video for AEP 859 Module 1. A little bit about me. I live in Lawrence, Kansas. I graduated from KU in 2015 with BS in Health and Physical Education, certified K through 12. On the left there, those are my two dogs, Gunner and Breezy. My wife, Samantha, she teaches K through 2 SPED here in Lawrence. That's our son, Hudson. He's 2.5. And that's a picture of us at the lake this summer. We love to go to the lake and spend time with family and friends, jet ski and tube. Over on the right, that is me in Miami for the Super Bowl back before all this pandemic stuff happened. I'm a huge Chiefs fan. Also love the Royals and KU, obviously. And then some fun hobbies, I guess. I love to golf, fish, hunt, and do woodworking whenever I get a chance. I teach in Basehor, Linwood. Basehor is located kind of smack dab between Lawrence and Kansas City. So I've got about a 30-minute commute from Lawrence. This is my third year in the district, 6th year in education overall. I'm shared between two elementary schools as K through 5 PE teacher, Glenwood Ridge Elementary School and Linwood Elementary. And then I also coach 7th grade football and am an assistant at the high school for the baseball team. Short-term goals, number one is to graduate. Hope to graduate in May from the master's program here at Fort Hays State. And then another short-term goal, during this pandemic, I hope to learn something technology-wise that I can use to teach remote learners from home, something that I otherwise would not have been able to learn had all this not happened. And then long-term goal, I hope to become a high school athletic director here in the Northeast region of Kansas. And then what I hope to take away from this course, I hope to learn how I can adjust my curriculum to become more forward-thinking in PE, and then how I can use what we learn in this course to motivate others, whether it be coworkers or staff members possibly in the future, how they can become more forward-thinking with their curriculum. All right, thank you for watching my video. I hope it's a great 8 weeks and look forward to hearing from everybody else. Thank you.